The red car is at fault at this intersection. As the silver car was moving forward on a green light, the red car entered the intersection without following the signals, causing the crash. Following traffic signals is crucial to avoid such accidents. Thankfully, everyone involved is safe, but it remains our primary responsibility to adhere to traffic rules. Always drive with caution and stay alert on the road. Flying plywood from a moving trailer at high speeds is incredibly dangerous. Unsecured cargo on the road can cost lives. Always secure your load properly. Never compromise on safety. Your small mistake can cause serious harm to others on the road. This video clearly shows the immense negligence of the pickup truck driver. The driver was in the far right lane with a trailer and needed to move left. Crossing 6 lanes at such high speed without any signal is an extremely dangerous decision. The pickup truck's sudden move caused chaos in the traffic. A motorcyclist who was riding steadily lost their balance and crashed onto the road. This incident is entirely the driver's fault. When you need to change lanes, always use your indicator and merge gradually. Road safety is everyone's responsibility. Please stay vigilant while driving and always adhere to traffic rules. This video clearly shows the fault of the female driver in the white car. She suddenly made a left turn from the right lane without any signal, causing the vehicle behind her to crash. Such negligence on the road significantly increases the risk of accidents. Thankfully, everyone is safe, but caution is essential while driving. Always be mindful when changing lanes. Both drivers are at fault at this intersection. Both the blue and black cars rushed, assuming the other would stop. Passing through an intersection without proper coordination is dangerous. Always pause and check the other driver's intention first. This accident happened purely due to minor negligence and a communication gap between the two. It is clearly evident in this video that the fault lies with the driver. The driver attempted to overtake without proper judgment and struck the vehicle in front from behind. Road grip is significantly reduced due to the snow, making extra caution and patience necessary while overtaking. The driver rushed, causing the car to lose balance and slide uncontrollably down the slope into the snow. Always be mindful of your speed and the driving conditions, as a small mistake here can lead to a serious accident. Always stay safe on the road. Look at this reckless pickup truck driver, completely ignoring the red light and speeding through. Stop putting lives in danger. Always follow the traffic signals for everyone's safety. The truck was driving in its lane when a small car suddenly cut in, trying to make a turn without proper judgment. The truck driver tried hard to brake and control, but a collision still occurred. Thankfully, everyone is safe. But such haste and poor judgment could have led to a major tragedy. Always take turns with caution. Two vehicles met at an intersection. The cam car stopped to yield, but the other driver misjudged the space, resulting in a collision. The vehicle was significantly damaged, but thankfully, everyone is safe. Always remember, having proper judgment during turns is essential so that everyone can navigate the road safely and reach their destination. Please always double-check your surroundings before taking any turn. Stopping in the middle of the road to make a turn is extremely dangerous and can lead to serious accidents. There is always a proper way to turn safely, so please prioritize road safety. Drive safely and take care. Goodbye.